Shegun, for example, someone I know for quite a while. Shegun is my brother essentially, and I've seen him from like the days of MATLAB, from like Lautech, because went to the same uni, to now being an Agba software engineer. And for those who don't know the Yoruba I just mentioned, that I just said, I mean, a chief. Software engineer who is now in charge of like systems that are powering hundreds of millions for organizations in value, and so that is a big deal. So we want to learn from all of that, and of course Adebayo also has done an amazing job. Adebayo has done amazing job. Adebayo Olukunle, across different industries and companies in Nigeria and outside as well. And so he's going to be bringing that wealth of experience, because sometimes when you move between companies, especially across continents and stuff, you see that some best practices probably you need to adjust. And he's seen all of that. Shegun's seen all of that as well, and they are both bringing it to bear in this mentorship program. So please try to tap as many things as you can tap from these people. Nobody says it's going to be easy, but these people are very, very determined to make it easier for you to get this. And you're also starting at a very good time, an exciting time where there's AI and Copilot and all those jazz coming through. So nailing down the fundamentals is super important at this time. And with that, some of the heavy lifting AI can always help you with that. But before you get to that point, today, is to nail down that fundamentals. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the course of the session. And let me do my introduction finally. The the head of operations, who is also by virtue of me being super lucky, my lovely wife Helen, she's on the call. She has been the one coordinating the the volunteers to ensure that we actually make this a reality. And so shout out to everyone that's made this happen. Also Ayobami is here as well. And I know that we had a meeting a couple of days back, and that really helped us put things in perspective as well. And I know that we have, I don't know if he's on this call, Adeolua, I don't know if you're on the call, but Adeolua is also part of the volunteers who has made this happen. So shout out to them. And lastly, to our facilitators who are going to be here with us for us through the 8 weeks and beyond. Oluwasegun Ige, as I've mentioned earlier, and of course Adebayo Olukunle, who is also going to be, both of them who are going to be making this a reality for all of us. So yeah, a special round of applause for everyone that I've mentioned. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna hand over to Shegun, our lead facilitator, and he's gonna get you all started. So no wasting of time. Let's get into it. I hope your laptop is there. If there are IDs you need to set up, I'm sure he will tell you about all of that. And hopefully, National Grid, you found a way around that for this session. So guys, please strap in. As you're about to, it's like you're about to guys strap in. It's gonna be an interesting ride. So thank you guys. Shegun, take it away.
Okay. Thank you so much, Imole. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shegun Ige. So I'm a backend engineer. I work for Vesicash, and with us on the call, we have our co-facilitator, so my co-facilitator, that's Adebayo. So Adebayo, kindly introduce yourself, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adebayo, and I'm a co-facilitator. I work for Credit Bank and Rapid Spike.
Sorry, Adebayo, could you put on your video and share one as well so that people can see it? It's the first class. So if you can, if it's okay for you to do that. And then, this is recorded. You want your face to show in this. That would be really, really cool. So for now, yeah, that would be really, really cool. And then subsequent classes, or maybe even after like 30 minutes, you can then switch it off if that is okay by you guys. That would be cool, so that every single person on the call can know who they are tutors. Like I said, we don't want T-Pain to be the one sort of moonlighting as our facilitator. Thank you guys. Cheers.
Okay. Thank you so much. Ellen wants to talk?
Yeah, I think Olaide has a question. Olaide Pokwala.
Okay. Olaide, go ahead, please. Maybe the reason of when is accidental.
Yeah, it could be. Okay.
No, actually, that was a mistake. That was a mistake, sir.
Okay. To business. Yeah. So good afternoon, everyone. Backend, and what we'll be teaching is PHP and Laravel. And some of us have coding experience, like we are not new to programming, while some of us are new to programming. Also, let's have at the back of our mind that this is a beginner-friendly lesson. You understand? So, which means we also want to give opportunity to those that have zero or little knowledge about programming. So today's class is very simple. We'll be talking about PHP, and definitely I want to assume most of us here, let me say 80% of us minimum, we do not have IDs set up on our system. So before I go too far, I would like to ask how many of us here on this call are with our system? Like you have your system charged. Just signify by sending an emoji or raising on your hand. Okay. So please, that's good. Please, each time we are coming for this class, this is not a theory class at all. If we are to do theory class, I think we will just tell all of us to go back to university to go and do CSE 201. You understand, where we'll be teaching Pascal on whiteboard. So this is not a theory class. So please don't come on Sunday without your system. It's very, very important. Make sure there's charge on your system because we are going practical. That's number one. So another thing I would like to say is that also I quickly just want to say the time frame.
Shegun, we lost you for a while.
Okay, how about now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, you said also, and then it cut off. You can try again.
Okay. Something is very short to learn. So another thing we'll be doing is that I'll try as much as possible. I have that time. I'll definitely create the time anyway, but I'll try as much as possible that once in a week, I will try to put up some articles, even if it's one on dev.to. How many of us have heard of dev.to before? It's a tech blog anyway. So what I teach, what we teach for a week, definitely put it in writing also there. You understand? Because that's 2 hours. I don't know how we're going to do it. It's small, and I would like us to also keep to time. You understand? So, and also we need to practice because we'll be giving us assignments. So God help us. So let's get down to business. I think majority of us are using Windows system, right? So, and for those using Mac, let me start with for those using Mac because we need to install some things. We need to install PHP on our system. I'm assuming that we do not have PHP on our system because that's the starting point. So for those of us that are using Mac, most of the Mac that I've related with, they come with PHP by default. But let me know if you're using Mac, can you just raise your hand? Please, well, Windows user, let's just put off our hand. Yeah. Olaide, please, are you using Mac? How many of us are using Mac here? I think we are few. I'm coming. Let me check. Only 3 people, right? Okay, so for people using Mac, just go on your terminal and type this command. Let's see if you check the chat here. Let's see if you have PHP on your Mac. So just type that command on your terminal just to verify if you have PHP on your Mac. So I'll be expecting a response from us. And for us that are using Windows, the Windows user, we are plenty, I understand. So let me give us a link. So let me give us a link. For Windows user, let's check this chat. We have different PHP versions anyway. I think the latest right now should be PHP 8.4 if I'm not mistaken, but I would just love us to go with PHP 8.2 for this training. If you want to install PHP 8.4, it's also still fine, there's no issue. But I will be going with PHP 8.2. They are just versioning, and there are some little difference in those versions, but 8.2 is also still fine, still good. So Windows user, let's go to that link. Once you get on that link, definitely you'll see various things there. Just hold on for me. Depending on if you are using 64-bit system, you'll see for 64-bit there, and for 32-bit you also see there. So let's download the thread save one. So we'll download the thread save version for that PHP 8.2. If you are not getting me, please call my attention so that I'll come again for that. Do you understand what I just said?
Yes, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I did put this PHP thing on my terminal and I got command not found PHP.
On your Mac, right?
Yes, on my Mac.
Which Mac are you using? The version?
I'm using a 2023 M2.
Okay, hold on. Let me get to command. I'm coming. Just hold on for Mac. For Windows user, let me know how it's going over there, please. So for your Mac, please open. Let me send you a link. Okay. For Mac, let me send you a link. So on your terminal, I think that's really right. Run those commands. So you install it on your system. Let me share my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. Let me know when you can see my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so let's run for Mac, please run this command on your terminal. After that, you do pre-install PHP. Windows user, are we here? Let me share my screen. Let me show you what you should be seeing for Windows user. Are you seeing something like this, Windows user? Hello? Okay, I think I need to call names. So that
Yes, sir.
okay. Olaide is using Windows, right?
Yes, I'm using Windows.
Okay. Tosin,
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so
I'm listening.
my laptop isn't with me. So
Okay.
I thought the
Who
class
else
was for
is,
free. So that's why I
okay.
can't see anything yet.
Okay. So who else is within system there that is using Windows? Faith.
I'm using window.
Okay. So, are you on this screen now?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
So let's download the zip file. So download the zip file, please. So Shay, how is it going for Mac? Shay is not the only one using Mac. Oh. What about the two? Shay and who else? I think 3 people are using Mac on this call.
Yeah, I'm installing it. I'm following the process you posted. Yes, it's installing.
Okay. Shay said it's done, right? Okay.
No, what I mean, I've put in this bit. I posted my response I got. So did you see the chat? Yeah.
Trying to check. Have you the first command, the beans bash? Have you run that command?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So after that, you do brew install PHP.
Yes, I did.
Okay. And has that completed processing?
How do I confirm that?
Okay, just type PHP -v to check the version. Once it's installed, you will definitely see something.
Okay.
So for Windows, let's download the zip file. That zip file. Do we have any Windows user that has downloaded the zip file?
So is it the first one or the second one?
For the zip file, let's go for this first one for PHP 8.2 here. So the zip file. If you are using 64-bit, but if you are using 32-bit, definitely go for x86. I hope we understand what I'm saying. Hello? Can anyone hear me? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Please, can you
I'm listening.
paste that MacBook installation again? I switched to my PC. I was on my. Can you paste it again? So I go copy to my PC. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. So once you are done with the brew install PHP, you can just check to confirm if you've installed PHP by typing that PHP-v. So it will give you the version of PHP you have on your system. But this brew install PHP definitely by default will install the latest PHP on your Mac. So if you want to specify a version to install, you can just do something like this. Let's say you want to specify 8.2. So you can just put it as reinstall at 8.2. I hope you understand that. Olaide, you have a question?
Yes. Yeah.
Olaide, do you have a question? Okay, so Windows user, where are we? Are we done downloading the zip file? Faith. Is Faith
Good
there?
afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm downloading it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is done downloading the
Sorry,
zip
sir.
file?
Which of the zip files are we to download?
Are you
I
using
have here
32-bit or 64-bit system?
32.
So 32, I'm coming. Just check my screen. This is PHP 8.2, but if you like, you can download PHP 8.3 anyhow, but I still prefer 8.2. So for your 32, go for thread save x64. So this is thread save x64. This so you can download the zip
I
file.
can't see your, I don't know, is it just me? I can't see
Can you see
anything
my
on the
screen?
screen. Okay. I think I
Can you see my
zoomed it. Yes, I can see it now.
Okay, so can you see this thread save, right?
Shred save. Yes.
Uh, x86, that's for 32 bits. So download this zip file.
Alright.
Okay. So who is done with Windows? Sherry, how far with Mac? Anyone done with Mac? Ibukun?
Yeah, mine is installing. It's installing. Once it's done, I'll notify you. But it's installing from my terminal. I'll installing the necessary things.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait. If you're having any challenge, please let me know. If you're having any challenge, maybe a challenge for Windows user, you're having challenge locating the appropriate zip file to download, please signify. Any Windows user done? What? Okay. Okay, Olade, I'm with you. I'll be fit.
So I wanted to ask before my own is almost done downloading. I wanted to confirm, is it the non-thread safe one we're downloading? Because I can see like a couple on the page.
No, download the one, the third one.
Oh, this. Okay. Oh, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Ibukun, well done. You're on PHP 8.42. It's fine. So, Shei Alpha. Shay.
I'm here.
Okay. So any Windows user done downloading the zip file? The zip file is not heavy now. I think it's 50 MB. Some or the other 32 one is 27 MB. A bit 30 MB. Yeah. Why this one is 27 MB? Ayabami.
Hello.
Yeah. Are you using Windows or Mac?
I use Mac.
Mac. So how far are you done installing PHP?
Sorry?
Are you done installing PHP on your system?
I just joined. So maybe I don't know. I'll check the recordings.
So this is it. What's the version of Mac that you're using?
The version of the year. Okay, I think 18. Latest one, sure. Latest one.
Okay, so on your terminal, just open your terminal and type this command. Check this chat. Type this command on your terminal. Let us know if you can see anything reasonable there.
Okay. Let me check the chat.
Okay. Oluwatobi.
Yes. Oluwadun.
Are you using Windows?
I'm using Mac, but I think I already have PHP installed.
Okay, makes sense. So where are the Windows user now?
Okay, yeah, it's showing this Ayabam. It's showing command not found PHP.
Okay, so you don't have PHP on your system. So install it using this command. I'll send, just check these charts. So,
All right.
so after you are done with that command, then if you want to install PHP 8.2, you can use this. Else, if you want to install the latest version of PHP, just use the following this command. Reinstall PHP. By default, it will install the latest PHP on your system. And once that is done, to confirm, just type PHP-v to check the version.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'll do that just now.
Faith, you've installed the file or you've downloaded the file. Which one? Okay. So for Windows user, once you are done downloading the file, please let's move that file to what's it called? There's a program files on our system, the C/. So let's move it there. Once we've copied it there. Daniel, are you using Mac or Windows?
I'm using Windows. So.
Okay, so I'll share you a link again. I'm coming for Windows user, just hold on. So then I check out this link. So check out that link. I'll be using PHP 8.2 for tutoring, but we still have 8.3 and 8.4. And if you want to go with 8.3, 8.4, it's still fine. You understand? There's no issue at all. So, and if you want to go with 8.2, it's fine. So once you get there, you see thread save version. Another one is non-thread save version. So you can download the thread one. So depending on your OS, if it's 32 bits or 64 bits, definitely you know the right one. Just download that zip file. So, so once you are done downloading the zip file, move it to that for Windows user, copy that zip file, move it to your C/program area. Then, what's it called? Extract your zip file. I'm coming. Because I'm not using Windows, so I wrote out some some things to follow here. Let me copy this and send to us. This is for Windows users though. Sorry, I'm using that. So for Windows users, okay. So once you extract that file, you should see a file named php.ini-development, most likely. So we name that file to php.ini. So, and then once you are done renaming the file to php.ini, open the file. You can open it with your text editor, maybe your notepad, anything that you use to open your text on your system. Then look for these things that this text that I sent to us here. You will notice that there will be a semicolon. Is it a semicolon? Yeah, it's a semicolon. There will be a semicolon in front of the extension text. So that's the way of commenting out on that file. So remove that semicolon in front of all this text here. Once you are done removing the semicolon, then save the file again. If you do not understand, please let me know so that I can repeat myself for Windows users. Windows users, once you've downloaded the file, yeah, Fitz, I'm listening.
Oh, I don't understand. Please, can you repeat?
Okay, you've downloaded the file, right?
Yes, sir.
Move that zip file to your C/PHP. You can move it to your your programs file. That's C/. You can create a PHP or file there. You just create a folder, call it PHP. Then that zip folder, move it inside it. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You know it's a zip file, right? So
yes.
Open the zip file. You know how to open zip file on Windows now. I think you've
Yes.
done. So once you've done that, look for a file there named php.ini-development, or if you are lucky, just find php.ini, that's fine. But if you can't find php.ini file there, it can be written as maybe php.ini-development. Search for it inside that folder. Let me know when you see something like that.
Yes, I've seen the file.
You've seen the file. That's Windows, right? Okay, so open that file with your text editor. Most of us will use Notepad, so open it with your Notepad, and if you use any other text editor, open the file. So once you open the file, all these texts that I put in here, look for them one by one. In front of those texts, you will see semicolon in front of them. Remove the semicolon.
Okay, so at first, we should rename it from the php.ini development to php.ini.
Yeah, rename it.
Okay.
Faith, you have a question? Olaide, do you still have any question? I don't think Olaide is here. Windows user, who else is having issue? Let's know so that before I assume that all of us are fine. Don't let me assume here.
Olaide, I'm here.
Olaide, you said what?
I said I'm with you. I'm with you.
Okay, just put down your hands. Thank you.
So what did you say we should edit from this extension equals to the call and
All
all
right.
this stuff.
So in front of that extension, you see semicolon. Did you see anything like semicolon there?
No, there's no semicolon in mine.
Semicolon there. Fine then.
No.
Look for the MB string. Just look for all these things here. If you find any semicolon in front of them, in front of any one of them, remove. Else, just save your file back. Maiwa, you have a question, right?
Okay, I've not been able to download it. It's still downloading, maybe due to network.
Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Any other person still struggling to download? Or maybe you've downloaded and you are struggling to know what's the next step for Windows user. Please talk. It's important. Let's know. Yeah, I'm with you, Angela.
All right, so I'm done downloading and renaming it to PHP Elite. And then this part where it said we should extract something like that. I don't know how to pass them lost.
Okay, so you've downloaded the zip file and you've moved it into your C file section, right? And you've created a folder called PHP and you drop the zip file inside the folder. Hope I'm correct.
No, I downloaded it, then I renamed it. I saved it into a new folder, then I renamed it to PHP Elite, like you said.
That's not what I said. Okay, let me explain myself
Okay.
again. Once you finish downloading, move that zip file, move it to your C section. I think that's the program file section. I think that's what it's called on Windows. Hope you know where that one is, right? C slash.
No, I don't know where it is.
Share your screen, please. Let me quickly commit it to it.
Okay.
Your system screen. I'm coming. Let me get to your screen. The camera, it's vertical. I can't see where I need to turn my head. So can you just change the orientation of the camera so that I can see it well? I don't want to be bending my head to see your screen. Thank you. So move the camera, zoom the camera in. Let me see it well. Let me stop presenting my screen so that I can see. Move to your, what's it called? To your left. The camera to your left. Your left. That's your right. To your left, yeah. So it's blue. I'm coming. To be honest, I'm struggling to see your screen. It's very blue.
Or can she join from that laptop?
Okay. Please join on your laptop. Yeah, thank you. Please join from your laptop. Join from your laptop so that we can see your screen well. This is a MacBook now. Okay, it's Windows. It's Windows. So join from your laptop, please, Ariella, so that we can help you out. Who else is having issues?
I'm having issues. The same with Ariola, same issue that Ariola has.
You've downloaded the file, but you don't know where to put it in, right?
Exactly, sir.
Okay. You are on your laptop, right? You are joining from your laptop, right?
Yes, I'm with my laptop, yes, sir.
Share your screen on your laptop.
All right. All right.
Lady, we are waiting. Okay, while we are waiting for Windows, let's quickly jump also for Mac users. Please just go on your browser, type VS Code. That's let's use VS Code for our IDE. So IDE is just a place where you write your code, you understand? So let's use VS Code. There are different IDEs. If you like Sublime, it's fine. But I think we should go with VS Code. So MacBook users, I think we are done installing, right? So please, once you are done installing, in order not to waste time, MacBook users, go on Google, just download VS Code, the one that is compatible with your system. So download and install. That one is straightforward. There's no issue with that. So please, for Windows user, yeah, Faith, I'm with you.
Sorry. After extracting the file and changing the name from PHP ini development to just PHP.ini, what I'm supposed to do?
So open that file, open that php.ini file.
Yes, it's open.
Look for this text that I put in here. For example, search for the extension is equal to call. If you see a semicolon in front of that extension, remove it. That semicolon is like a way of commenting out that statement. So remove that semicolon. Same for others extension that I highlighted here. Hope you understand.
Okay.
So
yes.
once
So
you are
if
done,
we see semicolon in front, we should remove it.
yes, in front of these things that I've listed here alone.
Okay.
So once you are done, then save your file.
Okay. All right.
Okay, well done, Daniel. So anybody done doing all these things with on Windows should also go on Google, search download what's it called VS Code and install. Okay, alrighty. Yeah, thank you. So go on your what's called Explorer. Open your Explorer. I think to open Explorer, that should be Windows E. So open your Explorer. Type Windows Z. I think that's the shortcut for Windows. So can you see that local disk C on your right hand side? Come down, local disk. Yeah. So put it here. Yeah. So drag that file that's zip file that you've downloaded. Drag it here. You understand? And drag it here. So there's another person having that same issue. So I think you can see from what we've done for Aniola. So please, let's just follow it that way. Aniola, you have a question, right?
Yes, I do. All right. So I just logged in with my system and I don't know, I couldn't get what you asked us to do.
Sorry, who is sharing the screen right now? Is that not you?
No, that's not me. That's Alaide.
Okay, it's fine. Can you see what Alaide is doing, right? Can you see what Alaide is doing? Both of you are using Windows, so you don't need to share your screen again. Let me just explain with Alaide. Alaide, please go back. So can you see this local disk C? So the file
Yes.
that you downloaded, try and drag it to that local disk C section. You understand?
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Once you get to that local disk C, you can create a folder there called PHP. Then drag the zip file inside that PHP folder. Then you now unzip that file there. Do you understand me? Angela, do you understand me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you. So you can stop sharing your screen, please. Okay, so for Windows, let me send it again. So please, for those of us that are not having issues with PHP again, please, I can't see 4.8.2 after checking. Have you installed? That's Lawa Yobami. Have you installed what's called PHP?
Oh, sorry, it's typo. I can. That's what I wanted to.
You can
Yeah.
see what
Do I
4.8.2.
need to Oh yes. Do I need to install anything else
You
again?
did PHP and you are saying 4.8.
8.4.2.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So, next thing for you guys, once you are done with PHP, please open your browser, search for VS Code, download it, and install. It's very straightforward. There is no need to stress about that one. VS Code. Windows users, we still have a long way to go because we still need to download.
Hello, sorry. You said VS Code. We have VS Code and we have VS Studio. Is it VS or the Studio? Which one?
VS Code, not Studio. VS
Okay.
Code. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Also for my Windows people, on that same php.ini file, search for date time. Be sure that, as for many of us that are in Nigeria, search for that date time. Be sure that you see Africa/Lagos. If you see any other date time there, you can correct it. You understand? So Africa/Lagos. For people that are in Nigeria, if you are not in Nigeria, please find the time zone. So I think that's that. So once
Sorry,
you are,
sister. Please, I'll need the link to download again. My system is asking me to re-download.
is it
And I also
Windows?
want, sir.
Windows.
Yes.
Okay, I'll send it again. Yeah, I've sent
Then I
it.
also want to ask again: is local disk the same thing as my PC? Because I didn't see local disk here. I want to be sure I can drag it into my PC.
Okay, you can't find local disk on your right hand side, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you might have renamed it to your PC. Just check the what's it called, the address bar up there. You should see C full colon slash. Do you understand me? Share your screen. Let's see.
Okay,
We can rename local disk. Some people rename it, so don't let us get it confused. Share your screen. Let's see. But as long as the address is still C full colon slash, then you're on your local disk. So that's where you should put it. Okay. Like I said, I'll repeat this again. 64-bit system, 64-bit users. Go for this 64-bit thread save. Thread save is important. Go for this thread save. So download the zip. If you are using 32-bit, go for this x86 thread save. Download the zip. You understand? So don't go for non-thread. We are not writing CLI commands here. So go for the thread save. For 64-bit users, use 64. For 32-bit, use 86. I hope you understand that now. So for Windows user, if we have anyone that is done with all this, no. Okay. I hope you are here. Is that not Tinola or what? Let me check. Let me call you by your name. Yeah, Tinola, can you hear me? Please speak up. Speak up. Are you on this screen? Are you here? Can you see all this?
Yes, I can. I have so much noise in my background. That's why I'm typing.
It's fine. Just pick up. Don't worry. We'll soon be done with you. So look for this thread save. Are you using 64-bit or 32-bit system?
I have a 64 here.
So if you are using 64 bits, go for this 64 times x64 thread save. Do you understand? So download the zip file. So this is what you should download. Is that fine?
Okay. The VS16.
Said what? Yeah, VS16. Yeah, VS16 64. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And that should be the PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4.
You can use 8.3. You can download 8.4. I'm just using 8.2. It's fine. If you use 8.3, it's fine. 8.4, we are cool. No issue at all. Okay. Windows user done with VS Code. That's good. So let's go for XAMPP. XAMPP is our local server. XAMPP is our, because PHP is a server language, so we need to run server. You understand? So for what is it called? Mac users, they use LAMP. You
Can I
understand?
ask a question, please? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, the PHP 8.3, the what download there is actually VS16, but the one
Okay.
for PHP 8.4, it is VS17. Is there any difference though, or anything?
Yeah, definitely with CVS 17, it's an upgrade. You understand? It's an upgrade. Do you understand me? I'm not using it because it's an upgrade. Since it's 8.4, it's an upgrade to 8.3. Do you understand?
Should I download the one you're using? Let me just be
Up
safe.
down to the one we are, yeah, use 8.2.
So I
And
should use 8.2 since that's what you'll be using to take us.
yeah, use 8.2.
All right, thank you. The source code.
Faith, I'm with you.
So I was not able to save the edits that I made to the file. So
So
I
whatever.
changed the name to like php.ini.development. Should I delete the other
Don't rename
php
it.
dot?
No, please don't rename it. It's still php.ini. Just leave it as php.ini.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You said we should make edits and save it.
Let me repeat it again. php.ini, you have the file now. So open the file. Check for what I've put in here. Once you've edited, make sure that it's fine. Then save it. Just to, I think that's Ctrl S, right? Ctrl S, save it. That's fine. Should be.
Yeah,
Should be
that's what
fine.
I'm saying. I was not able to save it. I don't know why.
What
It
error is
was
it?
saying administrator privileges denied.
And that's your local system. I think there's a way to address that on.
Okay. Let me just figure that out.
Yeah, save, and I think that should be save as admin, right? Windows user. I hope I'm correct. If you have that issue.
Yeah, I'm yet to have that issue though because I'm still at the PHP 8.2 download source code. So I'm even though I heard that you will save a particular download as PHP ini, but I'm not sure how to go about that because I'm still just at the download.
It's fine. Tinu, when you are done downloading, let me know.
Yeah, I'm done now.
You're
So
done, right?
I just want to know, do I have to run the file or something?
So the zip file downloaded, move it from where it is right now to your C file. Do you understand? Do you know where your local disk is? You can see that on your left hand side, right? You see local disk. So on that, open that local disk, create a folder, call it PHP. Once you create a folder and you call it PHP, that zip file, move it inside that PHP folder. Do you understand that?
I'm not sure I downloaded this rightly.
You said what?
I'm just not sure if I downloaded it rightly. But...
Okay, try and re-download it. Faith, I think Windows user, there's a way to save as an admin. I think I'm correct. Daniel.
Yes.
On Windows, there's a way to save as admin, right?
Yes.
I think that's the issue Faith is having. Faith, please save as an admin. I think that's not a code issue, it's a system issue. So just save as an
Is it
admin.
possible I share my screen, please? I just want to be sure I've used is the link safe? I don't know.
Yeah, share screen.
I asked a question also.
I will answer your question, Daniel, please hold on. Daniel, I will answer your question. Please hold on. Let's Tinu share our screen. Let's attend to our issue first.
I think I'm not able to do that. I don't have the access.
You said what?
I'm not sure. I do not have that access to do that.
Access to do what? To share your screen?
Share my screen. I'm checking again. Okay,
I've
seen it. I can't hear anything again. Can everyone still hear me?
We can hear you loud and clear.
Oh. Okay. Scribe. Can you see it, please?
You're not sharing your screen.
I just did.
Or Windows users, I've dropped something on the chat. Once you are done saving your php.ini file, please follow that step.
Okay.
So that step that I put in here is the step to add PHP to your system part. Olon Toby, please hold on. Tino, please share your screen. Or if you are struggling with it, no problem, just hold on. Daniel, please share your screen. You're using Windows, so let's use it to teach other Windows user. Daniel. Hello, Daniel.
Yeah, I'm sharing it now.
Yeah. So please, Windows users, let's pay attention. Let's follow what we are doing here. So I'll be using Daniel's system. Tino is also presenting now.
I don't know. I've shared the screen way back because right now I've stopped it. I've stopped sharing screen.
Tino, don't stress yourself. Don't worry. Just stop sharing your screen. Let's
that's what I'm saying. That I've stopped sharing the screen since you said that. So I do not even have the icon here anymore to stop.
Okay, Daniel, can you please share your screen? Let's see from your own view.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Please share screen. Still Tino or Daniel?
I've stopped sharing. Immediately you said stop sharing, I've stopped sharing. When you said you could not see it, I don't know. I started sharing them. I think it's quite slow.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. I don't know if you can see it.
I can see Daniel's screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen now. So Daniel, please go on your Windows Explorer. Okay. So Windows user, please let's pay attention. No, just hold on. Let's pay attention, Windows user. So by the time you finish downloading your file, by default, unless maybe you've tampered with your system design, by default, your downloaded file should move to your downloads folder by default. That's just the default behavior, unless maybe you've tampered with it on your Google Chrome, that is, you've redirected it to go and put it on another folder. But anyway, it shall download. Check your download folder. If you've not tampered with it, you should see your downloaded zip file on your window on your download folder. So now the first thing you are expected to do is that come on your left-hand side. Daniel, please scroll down. Let me see your local disk. You can see that C icon, that C full column, right? You should be able to see it on your system if you're a Windows user. Tino, can you see that on your screen? On your system?
Yeah, I have that on my screen. On
your system.
On my system, I mean. I'm just having issues with the download. I don't know what's going on with it. So.
You're unable to download the zip file. That's what you're saying, Abby?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I've just done it again, over again.
Yeah, maybe that's the network issue. But let's just still move on. So by default, come on this C icon, click on it. So then please click on that you're seeing now. Now, this is what you should see by default. Yes, your own folders might be much more than this or fewer than this. It's fine, but this is your C section. Now, the next instruction is that create a folder, name it PHP. You can see that Daniel already has a PHP folder here, right? Now, go back to your download section. Daniel, please go back to that download section. Downloads. Yeah. So by default, the downloaded zip file should still be there. Then move it. Move that your downloaded folder. Move it to inside that your PHP folder that you've created in your C section. That's what I said. So move it there. Just leave it. Don't copy it again. I'm just explaining now. So move it here. Once you paste it here like this, the next thing for you to do is what? Unzip the file. Unzip the file here. Windows user.
Let me do a walkthrough again. Just create the folder.
Okay.
Go to the save file. see the laptop.
So can you see what Daniel is doing? Windows user.
I think I've downloaded two now.
Windows users. Faith. Who else is Maiwa? Can you see what Daniel is doing?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
So now Daniel has unzipped the file. So you can delete the zip file now. That's good. So open the folder. Now look for PHP .ini development.
Okay, I wanted to move all the files to the original folder because now it's not inside the folder.
Okay, yes. So move all the content into PHP one folder.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So you delete that zip. Delete this folder. So look for php.ini development. That's this over there. So rename it to php.ini.
It's done.
So once you are done with this, open your php.ini file. Please, Windows user, let's follow this. Then look for the text that I shared with us on the call here. Look for them one by one. On this, inside this file, you can see that you can see semicolon in front of most of the lines there. So if you see semicolon in front of those lines that those what's called things I shared with us, remove them. And like I said, that semicolon is a way of is a comment. Like we'll still get to that when we start writing code. But for some of us that have been writing code, we understand what comment is. Can you see? There's a semicolon in front of this, so remove it. So search for others. Do we still have any other? Please, Windows users, please let's follow this so that we'll know we'll know what we are doing now. We'll know how to go about it.
I'm done downloading. Let's download it now. File location. Compress to zip file.
Okay, so I've changed them and I've set the time zone as well. So
for the time zone also remove the semicolon in front of it.
I need to remove the semicolon.
Yeah. Anywhere you see semicolon in this file, it means that line is commented out.
Okay. It has been removed.
So you save the file.
And it has been saved. Yeah. So it has been saved.
Okay. Windows users, I hope we understand now. Please let's talk. Windows users, do we understand now? Is this something that we feel we can do ourselves now? It's very simple.
Everyone is doing thumbs up. It's like I'm the only one. So
No.
agree.
No. Tino, have you been able to download the file?
Yes, I have.
Did you see what Daniel just took us to now? Did you
I
follow
won't
it?
lie. I saw it. I saw part of it because I was busy trying to download mine. So I wanted to catch up with him.
Okay, it's fine. I noticed that some people just joined us. Apologies. I think we had mix-up with the timing. So apologies. You are welcome, everyone. So what we are just doing today, because today is the starting, we are just trying to get ourselves informed about things we need to download in order to become a PHP developer. And just like I've said earlier on, few percentage of us are using Mac, while I believe most of us are using Windows. And definitely we need to be on the same page. And like I said earlier on, I think the latest PHP we still have now is 8.4, but I would still prefer 8.2. But if you prefer 8.4, there's no problem. We are still together. If you want 8.3, it's fine. If you want 8.2, it's fine. If you want 8.1, still fine. But me, I'm going with 8.2 for now. So and just like that is still, hold on, we are still using your screen because Mac users are not having problem. It's Windows users that are having challenge. So we need to solve that challenge together. So please, if you are just joining us on this call, please signify by raising your hand. Let's know.
So I should rename, right?
No, can we just hold on, sir?
Okay.
Please hold on. We'll still get to you. If you are just joining us, like you are just joining us around 4 p.m., please signify by raising up your hand. I only have one person I can see here. So it's only one person that joined late. Okay. 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 2. Okay. I'm coming, please. 2 people. Okay, that's fine. So Abisola and Toby, are we using Mac or Windows?
Windows. Abisola Windows.
Toby, how far?
I'm using.
You're using Windows, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me still hold on that. Windows users, please, we are still coming back to you. Just hold on. So if you are done installing PHP on your system and you can verify that PHP is working, I mean for Mac and even for you Windows user, Daniel, you are done installing PHP. The next thing you should do right now is go and download VS Code. Please download VS Code and install it. Let's stop there for you guys because we still need to carry this our other brethren along. So please, let's still hold on. Okay, you have VS Code. That's fine. That's fine. Just hold on. The next thing for you, Daniel, is to install XAMPP. Is our local web server. You understand? So I think that's why you are still seeing that flag. So
But sorry, you pasted something like after following the okay.
yeah. Do that to add PHP to your system part. You can do that. You can do that. So just add it as an environment variable. I think some people are still trying to join. That's why I'm trying to hold on a little bit because I won't like to start now and we'll still get we still have to go back again for. So please just give him Windows user Tinu and others that are still having issue. Just hold on. We still have one chance again, like one last chance to us to go over it again. So please hold on. Just follow us when we are about starting again. So Shei, are you done installing or what's it called? VS Code. That's Mac user.
So I've been able to install VS Code. I think my issue has been with PHP itself. I had to Google my error and I realized it's because I have unstable internet. I've tried switching internet twice, but it's still happening.
You said what?
So I've switched internet, but I'm still having this error. I'm trying it again. I'll post the error in the chat so you see, but I kind of looked it up and something my internet being unstable.
Okay. Any other Mac user having issues installing or what's it called? VS Code?
So just to clarify, I've been able to install VS Code. PHP is
Okay.
what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I understand you. Any other Mac users? We have like 3 Mac users here now. I'm trying to find the name.
Yeah, I already have VS Code installed already.
Oh, makes sense. Where is the other person using Mac? There's still one more person using Mac on the system. On this call. Okay. No problem. Daniel, we're waiting for you. Please answer that. Okay. Adebayo, please help me attend to Shay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Daniel, we're waiting for you so that we can start all over again for Windows users.
I think Daniel's case is sorted, right? I'm not sure.
No, he's still trying to do one more thing. Toby, go ahead, please. Angela.
Okay, so I feel like I don't know. I feel like Daniel has been able to get his own to a particular point instead of running it all over again with Daniel. I feel like you can just pick any one of us, myself or Faith or Sinola, that you can just, because for me now I've been able to download it. I've been able to move it to the local disk. I think where I'm having the challenge is zipping and renaming something like that. I don't know. I'm
Okay.
stuck.
Angela, share your screen, please. Daniel, please stop sharing your screen. Angela, please share your screen.
Okay, so by the way, I've added the PHP to the system part.
Okay. Let's just pause there for you. Don't worry. You've already gone ahead so far. Thank you. Angela, you're done sharing screen, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So go to your downloaded file. Let's see your file now. So open it. Okay. Here's your zip file, right? Okay. Just hold on.
Wait, let me see the zip file.
You want to do what?
I want to see what she downloaded. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. This is it.
I think mine is different. Somehow different. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So I already moved it to my local disk already.
Yeah, you open, then it goes to the file. Just open in the folder.
This is it.
So go to your local disk here. So create a hold on.
That's where mine is different. Sorry. So I've seen what's going on.
Rename that PHP ini folder to PHP. Just put it as PHP.
This one.
Yeah, rename it to PHP.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, save it. So open that folder.
Okay.
Now that's your zip file, right? So unzip it now.
That's where I'm stuck. How do I unzip it?
Double click it.
Okay.
That's fine. So now,
Okay.
go
Sorry,
outside
I
of
have a question. While using what she's doing, mine is quite different because I remember I did a setup, so I didn't have a direct local disk. Immediately downloaded, it goes directly into the local disk. So it will just tell me to rename and save it. That was what I was asking you. That should I just rename and save directly? I mean, right from the download, when you click it, I just tell it to go to the folder, and while in the folder, it just asked me to rename and save.
to
So
rename
that
the
was what I was asking.
zip file, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that was what I was saying. Because mine, instead of just going to the local disk first, that step is skipped because while I opened the file, already went down there. So the next thing is rename and save.
Yeah, rename it. So please move outside of this folder, please. Move outside of the folder. Go to the
Are you
PHP
referring to
folder.
me?
Yeah. Go to the PHP
Okay.
folder. Just press the back arrow on your top or left hand side. That back arrow. Top left hand side. Left hand side. Left. Yeah. Okay. So open the folder again. Open the folder. Yeah, open it. Go back inside. Yeah. Copy everything. Ctrl A and copy, Ctrl C, then go back. Yeah. Ctrl C to copy. So go back. Yeah. Go outside. Yeah. Now paste it here. Ctrl V.
I should put it inside this thing.
Not inside. Just move your mouse outside of it. Just paste it inside directly. Yeah. Ctrl V.
Okay.
So hold on. Scroll up. Is it up or down? That folder that you just move things from it. Delete that folder. Look for that folder.
Okay, I should go back again.
No, don't go back again. Yeah.
Oh,
sorry. Open the PHP. Don't worry. Now scroll down. Look for that folder. That folder. Look for that folder. Yeah.
This is it, I guess. This is it.
No. This folder PHP -8.2.27. Scroll down. Come down.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Delete it. Delete the folder.
Deleted.
Okay. So now look for. Can you see this php.ini in development? Can you see it? That file.
Yes.
Rename it to php.ini.
I should rename it to what?
Rename it to php.ini.
Okay.
I have a question, please. Inside the zip folder that was downloaded, there is about 36 items, and out of the 36 items, there is php.ini there. Am I correct?
Yeah, you see php. You are most likely to see php.ini.
Ini development,
Yeah.
development, then php.ini production.
So it's the development that you are changing, that you are renaming to php.ini.
Okay.
So save it. Now open that file, that php.ini. So look for it. Where is it? Is it not this one that I said you should rename it as php.ini?
Oh, okay.
.ini. .php.ini. Yeah. So open it.
Okay.
So check our chat here. I wrote some things out here. So search for them one by one. I don't know, maybe you still have access to it. Let me copy and paste it again so that check our chat. So check the chat.
All right.
So copy. Can you see? Extension is equal to call. So copy. Come down here. Copy the first one. Extension is equal to call. Yeah. Copy it. Now paste it inside that. Search for it inside that file that you opened. I hope you know how to do that.
Yes, I can do that.
Okay. So go to that file. No, that's far.
Bye.
You open it with your notepad. So go to your notepad.
Okay.
So Control F search to open find. So paste it there. So look for it.
I should look for it here.
Please, I have questions. Okay.
I'm coming. Sorry. Press enter to look for it. Or you can switch between the arrow keys. You can see. So remove that semicolon in front of that extension. Yeah, that semicolon, remove it. So do the same for the extension. It's also MD string. So Tino, I'm with you.
I can stop sharing now.
But I was going to ask questions from how you were taking out to.
Don't stop sharing. Sorry, Tino, please. Sorry. Don't stop sharing. Do the same for everything here. So once you are done, let me know. Just keep sharing so that other Windows users will see how you are going about it. They understand.
That's what I want to say. There's no way we can see, because as you were telling her, she was going ahead to do it. We're not able to ask questions. So it's literally like it's doing for her. I was going to ask questions in between so that I can follow and do it while you were telling her.
Oh yeah, ask question. I'm with you.
It's way back now. It's way back to the PHP in development. She has passed the place. That's what I was saying.
Okay, so what do you want to ask there? I can still answer. Don't worry.
Okay, while we open the file at the while we click on zip, and it's got to the php.ini-development. So I asked that question. I was going to ask further. So out of the 36 item under it, are we going to choose to open again the php.ini development or the php.ini-production?
Is the php.ini-development that you have to open. So I said, yes, that's why I said, once you have unzip, look for the file named php.ini-development. Once you see the file, rename the file. The first thing to do once you see the file is that rename the file to php.ini. Do you understand? Which means that hyphen and development, remove it from the file.
So we don't have to double click and open the php-hyphen development. We just have to remove it first.
The first thing to do before opening, rename the file first. I hope you understand.
To PHP, yes.
To php.ini. After you've renamed the file, then open the file. Do you understand me now?
Okay.
First thing, rename the file to php.ini. Once you are done renaming the file, then open the file. That's the file that was called Ariola just
downloaded. Right? Yeah.
That's the file that she just opened and that she's looking for all these extension stuffs. Hope you understand.
That is the file that has 36 items on it.
The file that you are referring to that has 36 items is the main zip file that you have unzipped.
Yes.
Okay. After you've unzipped the file, you see some folders in the file, and you also see some files. Nothing concerns you with the folders. Once you have unzipped the file, the next thing you should do is what? Look for the file named php.ini-development.
Okay.
Once you see that file, rename the file to php.ini. After you've finished renaming the file to php.ini, the next thing you're expected to do is what? Open the file. That's the file that Ariola currently have on the system that she's showing us. She has opened the file. Can you see that? Ariola?
Yes, sir.
When you are done, I'm coming, Tina. I'll tell you, please hold on. When you are done with this file and you save it, please don't go away, because you can see the file name is still php.ini.ini, which is wrong. It should be php.ini, not .ini.ini. Can you see the name?
Yes.
So Tino, I'm back to you.
No.
So what I'm saying,
the file that was found under downloaded file, which is for PHP. the file that was found under downloaded file called php.ini-development. We will pick that file and rename it.
Okay.
Did I get that right?
When you see the file name php.ini-development, the
Yes.
first to do is that rename the file to just php.ini. Do you understand that? Eh?
Okay, yes. But my question now is, what if I'm unable to rename it because it's under the major file?
You should rename it. That's what I'm saying. Like, you intentionally will rename it. You will be able to rename it. Those files that you're seeing there, you can rename them. So it's not like maybe they will not allow me to rename it. No. You have access to rename it. Do you understand me now?
I don't know how to explain to you, but okay. Yeah.
I'm coming. I'll still answer your question. Angela?
Yes, sir.
Are you done searching for all those? What about the, what was it called? The time zone. Search for the time zone also. Let me look for it. I'm coming. Just hold on. I'll get it on my system. I'm coming. Check our chat. I will drop it now. Can you see? Just search for date time zone. So you might see semicolon in front of it. So you remove the. You might be wrong. Don't copy the Africa / Lagos. Just copy date time zone.
Okay.
Yeah. So search for that.
Am I to remove the semicolon after the HTTP?
Not this. Click on the arrow to look for, or to look for the next occurrence. Okay, can you see that?
Okay, okay, I've seen it. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remove the semicolon in front of it, and then after the equals to, put in or use, or just put the Africa Lagos that I said it. No. Please.
I should go and copy it.
Copy it is case sensitive, not small letter. And you see that it's inside quote.
Okay.
It's case sensitive. Abiba, I hope I'm correct.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, you can just, okay, my name is Habib. You can just say Habib. Yes. Okay. Yeah. When I had access to a laptop, so that laptop is a Windows. So my first step was checking the PHP-V. So, and I noticed that it brought out the version there, that is 8.3.2.
On your Windows system, right?
Yes, on the Windows system. So I want to now ask, so all those steps that we have been doing, so I went to check for the folder inside the local disk. So I noticed that the folder was not there, but the version was there. So, and the normal, I checked the part 2. It's something related to PHP is not there. So I don't know if I'm going to download and follow all those steps, or I should just look away.
Look away, don't worry. You already have PHP. As long as you can see a version there, you understand. It's showing 8.3, so you already have PHP on your Windows system. Just don't worry. Do you have a local server on your system? Do you have a XAMPP that you are running, or
yes, there's a XAMPP.
So you don't have anything. Just let it be.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, Angela, you are done. So, click Ctrl S to save your file, and let's now go back to your folder. Tino, you will soon share your screen once I'm done with Abiba. Yeah. Have you clicked Control S? Have you saved the file? I think you've saved it. So close that notepad, please. Now, Ange, Ola, go back to your folder that has that php.ini. We need to rename it to php.ini. I'm saying php.ini.ini, which is wrong. Yeah. Your local disk. That's it over the third one. No. The third one. Yeah, open it. Yeah. Yeah. Open your local disk.
I just did.
Yeah, open your PHP, please. So go to that php.ini. Because I'm seeing .ini, which is wrong. Yeah. So rename it. Remove that .ini. It should be just php.ini. Rename it to just php. Remove that .ini. Rename. Where is your rename option? Yeah, just remove that .ini. Remove the .ini. Just put it as PHP then. Yeah. So open that file again. Let's see. I want to see the name that will pop up. PHP.ini. Thank you. So Angela, you are done. The next step for you is what I shared here. Where is it? How to add PHP to your system part. You can follow that step. That should be straightforward to a large extent. Follow that part. Just stop sharing your screen. If you have any question, please ask here. Daniel, please help me respond to Ariola. You've done it. If she has any question, Ariola, just drop question on the comment chat box. So stop sharing your screen. Let's go with Tino now. Tino, please share your screen. Let's solve the issue together now. Tino, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here.
Okay. So let's go to your downloaded file.
I downloaded this. There's a code. Then I went ahead and here.
Please share your entire screen so that I can see where you're your entire screen. Don't share a part. Share your entire screen so I can see how you're moving on your system.
Done.
Okay. So let me see your downloaded
So
file.
that was it. So I opened it.
Hold on. This PHP 8.2.7 is your downloaded zip, right?
Yeah, I renamed the one I clicked on.
No,
right
just
here.
run. Just run. Copy that PHP 8.2.7. Just do copy now. Copy.
Okay.
Copy it.
Okay.
You've copied it, Abby?
Yes,
now
yes.
go to your, see that your Windows on your left hand side. You can see Windows, right?
Yes.
Click on that. Click on it. Okay. So here right now, create a folder here. Call it PHP.
Okay.
No. Well, anyhow, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Just tell me how you want me to do it.
I will have prefer lower case, but proper case, but it's fine. It's fine. No problem.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Which is but wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So open that folder now. PHP. Open it. So paste that your zip file. Paste it here now.
Okay.
Paste it inside your PHP folder.
Yeah, I already pasted it. Oh, yeah.
Really? I can't see it. I can't even find it. See your PHP folder again. Where's your PHP folder now?
Okay.
Hold on. What have you done? Just hold on. Hold on. Where is the PHP folder? I can't find it again. Did you delete it?
No, I did not. I copied, I didn't use the normal copy. I just used the command copy and paste.
Okay, let's
Control paste, Control Z and paste.
You've done something. I just hold on. Create your PHP folder again here.
Okay.
Create that PHP folder here again. Yeah. Okay. 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 To your downloaded zip file. Go to your downloaded zip file. Go and copy that zip file and bring it inside this PHP folder.
Okay.
You already have it in your download history. So
Yes,
just
I remember. This is right here. This is on it. Downloads, please.
So copy that folder. Yeah, copy it.
Let me do this time. Let me not use code.
So go to your C. Yeah.
This is it here.
Yeah, open
file I created earlier.
Open it. Now paste it here. I think that's the paste icon now. Up. Okay. So paste. Aha. Now double click that folder. Double click it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what will happen. Aha, makes sense. So open that folder. Makes sense. So Control A, highlight everything. Control A.
Okay.
Now copy it.
Yeah, I just did.
Now go back to your PHP folder. Move to your PHP folder now.
The one I downloaded?
No, the one you created. PHP folder. So paste it here. Now paste. No. Don't click that folder. Now paste here. Just paste here directly. Okay. So let's hold on.
Is that correct?
Yeah, it's currently moving the files. Just hold on. Daniel, please help me help Ariola with the system parts.
Okay, so this was what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, what you are doing right now is that you are copying the contents of that zip file. You are moving them inside your PHP folder that you've created. You understand? So once we are done with that, you will now delete that what's called the zip file that you have on this PHP folder. You delete it away. So let's wait for you. I think some people just joined now. It's fine. I'll tell as much as I think this meeting is being recorded also, so we can also follow. Once we are done, I believe our organizers will find a way to release the video so that we can also check up on the video. So, and we already have a WhatsApp group. If you have any issue, please drop message there. Myself and Adebayo, we are also there to attend to your issues, you understand? So, and please don't let us just say, I'll be coming on Sunday. Please, during the week, let's take time to practice. Practice makes perfect. So don't wait till Sunday before you open that system. You practice it every day so that when you are coming, you also have more knowledge to what we've explained here. So it's very important.
All right, so sorry. While she's having that downloaded, I don't know if there's anything I could do next. So I'll just go on with that.
Amiola, as what's it called? Oh, what's his name? Daniel, did he attend to you regarding the system part?
No, he hasn't.
Daniel, please help me help Ami out. Is it
Yeah,
still on?
in what aspects, please?
She's trying to do the process of add PHP to system pack, the one that you did. So you people can just follow yourself up on this chat box here. I've highlighted the steps here there, but please just help me.
Okay.
Ari, ask him question here. He will answer you on the chat box.
All right. Yeah.
And you can also share screenshots on the, what's it called? On the WhatsApp group. So Daniel, please, you're also on this WhatsApp group. Once you see and share screenshots, please help me follow up. Habib, do you have any question? Your hand is raised up. Taiwo Ladele.
No question, sir.
Okay. Taiwo Ladele, who's that? Taiwo Ladele.
Yes, I just joined, so I'm like very, very lost.
Okay, there's no problem. Don't worry. We have solutions to that also. Number one, welcome to this. That's the first thing. Number two, we have video recordings that definitely we'll be sharing. But I have a question. Are you using a MacBook system or a Windows system? Windows, that's fine. So for Windows system, please help follow what we are doing right now, because what's it called? Installation of PHP on Windows system is different for the MacBook users. So what you are seeing right now is we trying to install PHP on a Windows system. Though we've gone far, but at least still follow here. There's also video recording of this meeting, which we will still catch up with. So, and also I shared links of where we download the what's called PHP form, which I will also share again on the group chat. Let me share it on WhatsApp so that we can also have access to it and we can pick it up anytime we want to refer to it. Yeah, I think that's important. Any link I'm sharing, and let me also be sharing it on the group so that's have it documented there. So Windows.
I have a question.
I'm with you.
Yeah, this same process. I don't know if Ariola can hear me too. Is it how everyone using Windows did theirs? Because the time keep changing. The reason I'm asking is that it's saying 1 hour. The next thing to say is many 1 minute to something, 2 seconds, and the time keeps changing, which means it might not. Maybe it's not right, because I feel everyone was able to do theirs quickly. So I'm just wondering if it's being done rightly. Not sure.
I think I understand your question. I'm coming. I would answer your question. So, moving files on Windows, in terms of calculating the time, sometimes I think it calculates time based on files being moved and the kilobytes, the size of files being moved. You know, you are moving both folders and files, which are not of the same size, and it's recalculating the time. So sometimes it will tell you 1 minute remaining. And when maybe it gets to some small files, it will calculate it again as remaining. So it's not a determinant. My own assumption, I might be wrong because my assumption is based on different file size that is trying to move, so the time keeps changing. So that's it. But don't worry, you won't spend 1 hour. For Windows users, I've shared something on the group for links to download to check it out. And also, let me also share this on the group for Windows users. I think Mac users are lucky, no stress. They are done. So I've shared another thing on the group for Windows users. So that if we want to reference it, okay. What else? Yeah. Yeah, still waiting for. I think someone's hands is up. Taiwo, you did a lot. You have a question, man. Hello. It is by mistake anyway. So, Ariola, I hope everything is going on well over there. Okay.
Maybe Ariola has network issue. Ariola has led the meeting.
Absola is also using Windows, right? Okay, she joined late. Okay. But at least I hope you are following what we are doing. Absola. Absola, are you there? She's not. Okay. That's fine. As for many Windows users that are done with this step, please let's go and download VS Code. That one is straightforward. There's no stress. Just Google VS Code.
I could download VS Code while this is ongoing as well.
Yeah. You can do that. Not Visual Studio. VS Code. So, Tino, let's use your system. So, just open Google, type in download VS Code for Windows. Download VS Code for Windows. Yeah. So I don't think we have any user here using Ubuntu. If you are using Ubuntu, that's fine. Download. Click the first link. The first link. Yeah. So if you are using Ubuntu, let me know. But I doubt if we have any Ubuntu user here. So you can see yourself here. Windows. Can you see? Come. No. Hold on. Don't click that download. You can see different version. Windows. So which one is your home?
Windows 10.
So yeah, click on it. So it will download now. Just hold on. It's in progress.
It's done now.
Open the folder, yeah. Open it. Let's see, like, open the file.
Do I accept? Okay. I accept the agreement.
Yeah, accept the agreement, please. You don't you're reading the agreement. God bless you. Please accept. Let's move on. I think that's our culture here. We don't we don't read agreements. So wait, hold on. Click on that, create a desktop icon. Yeah. So now next. Yeah, install. Yeah, click on install.
Yeah, I already clicked it, but it's not moving. I don't know. Maybe you want me to check something. Yeah.
No. Click install. Yeah, leave it. So Windows users, please, that's how to download VS Code. It's very straightforward. Just hold on, it will install. So Mac users, please, where are we? Shay, Alpha, Ibukun, where are we?
I think I'm making progress. So I was able to install Brew manually, and then Olakune gave me a prompt to do. So it's installing, and what's it called? PHP is installing. I'm seeing some codes. I've already installed. It's installing essentially.
Okay.
Let's maybe I'll give it a few minutes. I already installed Visual Studio.
Oh, Ibukun Alpha.
Yeah, PHP and VS Code is installed already. But I know you were saying about us installing the server. I didn't hear that clearly.
Oh, it's for definitely it's for Windows user. For Mac, you can don't worry, we can manually you can use LAMP, but some people most times we don't need it on Mac. So
okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, click on finish. Tinu. Yeah. So you can open your own VS Code, I think. So let's go to your files that you are copying. Where are we on that one? Where is the third page? Faith Alpha. Windows users. Hello, Faith.
Hello, sir.
So Alpha.
I have VS Code already.
How about the PHP stuff? You've been able to set it up, Abby?
Oh, we're supposed to install it. I'll be able to do all the steps you.
What about this the XAMPP? Have you been able to install your XAMPP? I've shared the link. Check the group chat, the WhatsApp. You'll see, I think I've shared the link for the XAMPP. So for Windows users, if you are done with moving the folders up and down, this I shared the link called XAMPP is our local server anyway. So some people will use WAMP, some XAMPP, they are the same anyway. It's just name difference to me. So you can, if you like, do XAMPP, if you like, do WAMP, anyhow. So for XAMPP, if you are interested in XAMPP, click on that link. If you are interested in WAMP, let me help you look for your WAMP link, but they are the same anyway. I'm coming. Let me look for WAMP for you. Download WAMP server Windows. I'm coming. Excuse me. So I'm sharing WAMP also. Okay. Sorry, this one is taking long because today is our first day and we are trying to get most of us like started with the basic things we need to run for this program, because without all this, there's nothing we are coming to do. That's just the truth. So we need them. So please, let's take this for today. Definitely from next week, we'll move with time. So, honestly, this thing has taken so much time.
So,
No problem. I will finish it. You'll finish it. Don't worry. Daniel, I want to believe you are done with everything, right, Daniel?
Yes, yes. I've downloaded the exam.
Have you been able to install the XAMPP?
Yes, I'm installing it, so I'm just setting my system, my space, my storage space. Don't run off. So, but I will install it.
Okay. I will share us what's good. I will share us steps to install XAMPP. So, and that same step work for what is it called? Work for people that are running WAMP. So let me share the steps on the group. Steps to install XAMPP. So I've shared the text here. So that's the step to install what's it called? To install XAMPP on for Windows user. So So if you've downloaded exam, please follow that step on the group. If you have questions, please let me know. So let's follow that step for Windows user XAMPP, and the same step works for WAMP. They are both local servers.
can I download WAMP now as well?
Yeah, you can download XAMPP. Yeah.
I should use Google, or is there a prompt for it?
You can use yes, use I think I've shared the link. I've shared the link. Go to on our WhatsApp chat, you'll see the XAMPP link. You'll see the XAMPP link. So just go there and click on it.
I think I have to send it to my email. Hold up my WhatsApp here.
For Mac users, for Mac users, you can use Brew to install MySQL also. Please check the chat box here for Mac users. That's Mac users. We have Sheyi and Ibukun. Do Brew install MySQL. So install that MySQL will be our database. So install it. So the reason why Mac users, you don't need to go through the stress of XAMPP or WAMP is because number one, Apache is already installed on our Mac OS. You understand? So Apache is already installed there, and definitely most of us, our Mac comes with PHP. So the only thing left is our MySQL. So, but for Windows users, did not have Apache, did not have PHP. That's why they have to go through the process of installing PHP, installing what's it called? XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server, so it works for MySQL. It will help them with their MySQL and also their Apache. You understand? So, but for the Mac OS people, Apache is pre-installed on Mac OS. So what they just need to do is to install their MySQL using Homebrew. So that's why you are not also going through that stress. I hope we understand, Mac users. She?
Yes.
Okay. Thank God for Steve Jobs. It's okay.
Should I go for the 8 point? Which of the version should I go for?
This is XAMPP, right? Yeah,
Yes.
download the latest, it's fine.
The 8.0?
Yeah. 8.0.3, or which one is the latest there? Is it 8.2 points? Yeah, okay, yeah. 8.2.12. Can you see the PHP is 8.2? So download that one. Yeah.
Sorry, I got locked out at some point and I'm totally stopped. I'm still trying to find my way around getting the window. What's this thing again?
The system part.
Environmental. What is it?
I think you and Daniel, you're having a conversation, right? You started having a conversation, right?
Yeah, he asked me to share my screen on the call, something like that.
On this call? No.
It's Mr. Adebayo, not Mr. Daniel.
Okay. I'm trying to help her out via WhatsApp so that I'll still attend.
So she shared a screenshot, and that screenshot shows that she's trying to search the environment variable online. So might probably be getting it wrong.
Yeah.
I think it might be better that she shares her screen and then we see how she's doing about it.
Daniel, please put her through. Daniel, you have done it on this call. So please put her on WhatsApp. So Henry, please drop a screenshot on your WhatsApp, on the WhatsApp group that we have. So Daniel, please follow her up. You understand? Tinu, please download this 8.2.12.
Yeah, I already did. I already clicked download, so it brought me to another file. That's why. You see, it keeps opening new file. That's why I waited.
Scroll down. Your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. Click on that. Click here.
Okay.
Can you see that? Click here. No. Up. Awesome. After awesome, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So I accept.
Okay. Sorry.
You don't want to accept, okay? You must agree.
Why do I have to accept though? You know, all of these people, they just write a lot of things there.
You must accept to scroll down. So XAMPP Windows, is it already downloading? Has it started downloading?
No, there's nothing downloading at the moment. Because if it is, I would have seen it here.
I mean, scroll up.
Okay.
Let's download it. Yeah, so wait. Download it as blah 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 blah. Installer. Click on that, download latest version, that green download latest version. Yeah, click on it. Yeah. Your download will start shortly. Let's wait.
Okay. Okay, it's downloading now.
Yeah.
So it's done downloading now. Let me go to the WAMP. I have WAMP here.
No, you don't need to download WAMP once you already have XAMPP.
Oh, oh dear. Okay.
Yeah. They are the same. Yeah.
All right, sir. Can I ask a very innocent or I don't want to say foolish question? How do they correlate with PHP and virtual code that we already have? How do they work hand in hand?
Okay, so I was saying PHP is a server language.
Yeah.
Okay, understand me. So so once we talk about server, what we need to first do is our code, we are writing it locally, that is on your system at the moment. So we need a local server to compile our PHP code for them to work. So that when you write your code on your virtual VS Code and you want to run it, there's something that will be working underground to make sure that the code that you write works as expected.
Okay.
Yeah. And so your XAMPP is a combination of your Apache. There's something called Apache. Apache is a web server. Just like another alternative for it is also Nginx, so we don't need to go to that right now. So Apache, what's it called? Your XAMPP is a combination of Apache and MySQL. MySQL is for your database connection. Hope you understand me.
Yes.
So database will never get there. We've not started that one. I'm just trying to let you know that it's a combination of both your MySQL and your Apache. That's your XAMPP. So XAMPP, WAMP, it does the same thing. It's just name difference based on different people doing their stuff. It's the same thing. Hope you understand me.
Yes, I do. Thank you so much. So I can open the XAMPP now.
Yeah, open your XAMPP here.
Oh. Can anyone still hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Continue.
Okay. Okay, can you see my screen?
I can still see your screen. I hope so. I can still see your screen. Move away from the screen. I'm seeing myself. I think your screen is frozen.
Yes, it's not frozen because it's asking me while I ask it to open the XAMPP. It asks me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Stop sharing. Stop presenting your screen and we share your screen again. Before we go too far, who is still having what's good? macOS users, how far with the pre-installed MySQL? Have we been able to run that? macOS.
Yes.
We've been able to run that one.
Version, yes.
So what's our version of MySQL?
9.1.0. That's what was installed.
Yeah, MySQL is version 9. What?
9.1.0.
Wow, far. That's good. Okay. Sheyafa,
Present, sir.
What version of MySQL do you have there? It should still be that 9. I think that's the latest then. No problem. But me, I'm working with 8 points. Is also fine. No problem. It's only minor updates, differences that will be there. So it's fine. Don't need to stress it. I think our Mac users are good with everything we need to set, or at least the basics for now. I think they are good with that. Windows users, I think that's where we are having so much thing to discuss. Windows users, Faith, have you been able to download the, what's it called, the XAMPP or WAMP, anyone? Maiwa? Who among the Windows users have been able to download the XAMPP or WAMP? And
I have been able to download it.
okay, apart from you.
Okay.
Who else among Windows users? Daniel.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, Daniel, you already have a XAMPP running on your system, right?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have it. Windows users. Who
I
else?
already have that running on my system too.
Okay, so what was it called? Habib, Alpha.
Yes, I have it installed on my system.
Okay, it's only a few of us that do not have it then. Okay. Okay. So most of us on Windows also, if I'm saying most of us, let me like 3 or 4 of us or 5 already have XAMPP. I mean Windows already have XAMPP running on their system, and you have VS Code installed, and your PHP is also good, right? Hope I'm correct. Let's talk. I beg in Habib.
Yes.
Okay. So because I'm looking at time.
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at time, should be 3 to 5, and I know that we still have some few people that still struggling with some things. So I don't know. Imole, are you here?
Hello.
Okay, please, can we permit those that already have their own case set to excuse us so that we are going to be people?
Permit them to do what? Sorry.
Like to excuse us. They're already done for everything they need to do to install.
Okay, cool.
But
Yes.
we are keeping them here while they already have everything they will need to install for this
Sounds
class.
good. Do we know how many people have been able to install their stuff?
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to get. I think when the Mac users are okay, and also there are some few Windows users that are also okay, that they are done with everything. I think we only have like 3 or 4 people for Windows that are still having issues, so we can have time for them on this call properly.
All right, sounds good. I think yes, if that's the case, if you the call and you have installed everything, you don't need to stay on the call anymore. Thank you very much, guys, for today, for joining. Don't forget we are reconvening same time next Sunday. But between now and that time, feel free to ask questions. Start. I mean, what you've installed, you need to take it for a spin. So if you need to ask any questions concerning what to do next and things like that, you can always ask that in the group. So yeah, we will see you next week. And sorry for the mix-up in the timing again. So now that we know it's going to be 2 p.m. on Sunday for those in the UK and 3 p.m. for those who are an hour ahead of the UK, for example, West African time users. So thank you very much, guys, once again. Feel free to drop off the call. Otherwise, you can just stay on and watch Segun perform his magic. Him and Adebayo. Thank you, guys, and yeah, have a lovely week ahead. Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Tinu, so let's quickly come back to you. So let's see, where are we on this 5?
So I've done the XAMPP. So this is the file is just